This is not a magic trick. It is a real science experiment. If you punch a hole in the bottom of a bowl, it will break when you hit it, but if you put the bowl in water, you can knock out a perfect round hole. This is the buffering force of water. Poke a small hole in the cap of a beer bottle, tap the bottle, and the beer will spray out quickly. This is the principle of an atomic bomb explosion. Put a frozen grape into ice water, and the water will instantly solidify around the grape. This is the secret of turning water into ice. Take out an unchewed gum, squeeze it into a cone, and then smash it with a coconut when it is not prepared. The coconut will be smashed by the gum. This is the power of non-Newtonian fluids. A straw cannot penetrate an apple at all. Just by blocking one end of the straw with your thumb, you can easily pierce an apple. This demonstrates the power of compressed air. Place a cotton thread on an ice block, then sprinkle some inexpensive salt on it, and wait a moment. The cotton thread will condense with the ice. This is the principle of spreading salt to melt snow. Just sprinkle a little salt on the egg. You can make an egg stand on it. This is the effect of friction and balance. Pour a little water into the bottom of the can, heat it for a few minutes, and then quickly turn it upside down in ice water. The can will instantly shrink into 5 rings. This is why you can't drink ice water after strenuous exercise. How to open a Sprite pull ring that is broken. Just fold an A4 paper into this shape. Rub it repeatedly at the opening, and you can easily open the snow wall. You can try it yourself. Rub garlic with your fingers a few times, and you can easily separate the egg yolk. This is the second-rate key. What should I do if there is chewing gum on my pants? Just put an ice cube on it. Wait 2 minutes, and you can easily tear off the gum. This is thermal expansion and contraction. Add sugar and detergent to a cup of warm water, stir to dissolve, and dip a straw into the solution. You can blow bubbles that won't burst. Put tape on the surface of a balloon filled with water. The water flowing out of the hole in the center seems to be frozen. This is the laminar flow phenomenon. Take out a white rose, cut the root into 4 parts. Insert different pigments into each part and let it stand for a few hours, and you will get a beautiful and greeny colorful rose. Turn the bottle filled with hot water upside down and put an ice cube at the bottom of the bottle to make the water boil again. This is the magical vapor pressure. A flat piece of white paper cannot bear weight in the middle. If you fold the white paper into a wavy shape, the middle can not only bear the weight of the cup, but also fill it with water. The cup won't fall down. This demonstrates the strength of structures. If you place a round cup in front of a girl and pour clear water into it, you'll find that she shyly turns away. This is the principle of convex lens imaging. By poking a circle of small holes in the bottom of a plastic bottle and filling it with water, you can control the flow of water by twisting the cap, effectively creating your own little sprinkler. If you insert iron and copper pieces into a tomato and connect them with wires, you can power an electronic watch. This is the magic of electronic levitation. When you put an egg in water, it sinks to the bottom. But if you add enough salt to the water and stir it until it dissolves, the egg will float on the surface. This is the secret of floating in the Dead Sea. When you shine a laser pointer into clear water, you can't see the light passing through. If you drop a few drops of milk into water and stir it, you'll see a clear light path. This is the Tyndall effect. Pour some vegetable oil into a cup, then add a few drops of clear water. Sprinkle in some salt, and finally drop in a few effervescent tablets. And you can simulate the spectacular eruption of an underwater volcano. Place a ping pong ball on the mouth of a bottle filled with water in, and even if you turn the bottle upside down, the ping pong ball won't fall through. Instead, it keeps the water sealed inside the bottle. This is atmospheric pressure. If you dip your finger in a little water and rub it around the rim of a cup, you can make a toothpick fall from another cup without touching it. This is the phenomenon of sound resonance. It's better for kids to watch these real science experiments out than to look at virtual water machines on TV.